on Tea Street Chatter. Nimesh.
Nigel, a good recovery in the Nifty, and that's largely because of some large cap names like ITC, Reliance. They are all supporting the large cap IT name. IT stocks have also supported the Nifty to some extent. But the bigger pain is in the broader market stocks. The index is on 1%, but a lot of individual damage is clearly visible. For the last couple of days, the way the mid cap and small caps have fallen, now it is giving it's impacting the portfolio investors as well. So there is a bit of panic now from larger investors on whether this will continue. A lot of the new F&O entrants are down 7, 8, 10%. So it's a bit confusing. There are no specific reasons for such sharp falls, but I guess it's largely because they've rallied so hard, and valuation-wise, this seems to be quite expensive, and that explains that you're seeing sharp cuts in the likes of Dixon, Paytm, and all those names. But those specific names, so to speak, or reasons for such a sharp fall today. From a flow perspective, again, it's a mixed day, but I've been saying for a while now that there is a bit of buying in the PSU basket. So again, there are flows in the select PSU names from the larger institutions. So that leg seems to be supporting the PSU rally in some form. I guess the sector clearly is the MFI stocks. The way the MFI stocks have recovered and have been rallying in trade, looks like the market is giving a message that maybe the bad news is pretty much priced in, and you're seeing a bit of recovery there. But it's basically the broader market pain which is now hurting the investors, and there is a bit of panic as well because the portfolios are getting impacted now.
Okay, all right. What about individual stocks, Nimesh? What do you pick up?
So, a lot of individual names are buzzing in trade despite a weakish, broader market index. So the first name is Poonawalla Finance. That stock recovered sharply from the intraday low after a large block. 60 lakh shares got changed hands. I understand it was a clean-out trade from a domestic mutual fund. So that particular fund has completely sold out its entire stake in Poonawalla Finance in today's block deal. So that's the first name. Second stock is Jayakumar Infra. Again, in a weak broader market, that stock is in the green. The volumes are on the higher side. And I understand a leading domestic AIF has been an active buyer of late in Jayakumar Infra. The third couple of stocks where there is delivery-based buying from the larger institutions, NMDC as well as Indus Tower. Both are been consolidating in a narrow range, but I understand some buying has resumed from larger FIs in NMDC and in Indus Tower. And the last name is IIFL Finance. Again, we've seen a bit of traction in the MFI stroke, NBFC names. IIFL Finance is in large volumes today. The flows are higher on the HNI desk, and the city is anticipating some sort of a corporate development as well in IIFL Finance very soon.
Okay, all right. The last one will come up on your screen. That was IIFL Finance. If we can have the graphic up, okay, I think we'll be able to put the stock up for now. 3.5% higher. But buying there and some corporate development soon, as Nimesh pointed out, stocks at about 436 or so. Nimesh, thank you very much.